In this lesson, we're going to discuss loaning equipment to workers and how this is handled within Dynamics 365 for Talent. Now, Dynamics 365 for Talent enables companies to manage the property or assets they issue to workers. A company can loan items either for a finite time or for the duration of the worker's employment and record the workers to which these assets are loaned. To use the loan functionality, a company must set up loan types and loan items. So let's start by taking a look at loan types and loan items. First, we'll talk about loan types. Now, loan types include general categories of items that employers can loan to workers, such as mobile phones or computers. The actual item brand and serial number are registered on the loan item. Another example is a credit card. Workers may hold several company credit cards, but only one loan type is called credit card. This means that loan types can include many loan items. So for loan items, these are specific and uniquely identifiable items or assets that employers issue to workers. For example, a particular smartphone with a particular serial number, or with credit cards, each credit card's unique number. You can create loans items in two ways: one item at a time in the loan items form, or you can do multiple items at the same time in the mass creation dialog box. Because the loan functionality enables a business to control ownership and the time frames for which an item can be borrowed or issued, some companies also use loans for administering shared company resources such as projectors, flip charts, meeting rooms, and shared presentation notebooks. Let's take a deeper look now at loan items. Loan items are records that help you keep track of the physical items that your company lends to workers. Although each item is uniquely identifiable, each belongs to the category indicated by the loan type. Now here's a list, and we're going to show you that contains examples of some common loan items. First of all, we have notebook and home computers. Employees are often given notebook computers to take with them to home and on traveling and so forth. Home internet connections, if they pay for your internet service. We have handheld devices such as tablets. They could also be PDAs in those days, and you also have other types of handheld devices. We have mobile phones. A lot of companies give out mobile phones to employees, and company credit cards. Now, each physical item must have a corresponding loan item. Each loan item should describe what is being loaned and who is responsible for the loan, and the number of days the item can be on loan. You can create multiple loan items that are similar, such as a series of keys, a series of access cards, or a bunch of uniforms, all at the same time. So when you're loaning an item, you'll enter the date that the item was loaned and the planned return dates. When the item is returned, enter the actual return date. So let's take a closer look at how we loan items to workers. You must create a loan item for each item that you will loan to your workers. Items are grouped by loan type. On the loan items form, you can see which items are already on loan in the status field. Now, the status field is determined by the loaned equipment from where individual items are checked out. The status equals loans, and returned, which means that they're available. Now let's look at a demonstration now of how to add a loan type.